Hi guys, I completed my habits. Let's read the new story. Today's new story. The story name is If a Lizard Can, Why Cannot We? This is a true story that happened in Japan. In order to renovate his house, a Japanese man broke open the wall. Japanese houses normally have a hollow space between the wooden walls. When tearing down the walls, he found that there was a lizard stuck there because a nail from outside had been hammered into one of its feet. When he checked the nail, he immediately realized that it was nailed 5 years ago. When the house was built, that meant that the lizard had survived in that position for 5 years, in a dark wall partition for 5 years without moving an inch. It was impossible for anyone to survive. So he stopped his work and observed the lizard to see what it has been doing and how it has been eating. Soon from nowhere came another lizard with food in its mouth. He was stunned and touched deeply, for the lizard that was impaled by the nail, another lizard had been feeding it for the past 5 years. Imagine, it has been doing that untiringly for 5 long years without giving up hope on its partner. Imagine what a small creature can do that a creature like us, blessed with a brilliant mind, cannot do. Please never abandon your loved ones. Don't turn your back on people in their difficult times. You may be a bit luckier today, but life is uncertain and can change things tomorrow and can change things tomorrow. A moment of negligence might break the very heart which loved you against all odds. Before you say something, just remember it takes a moment to break, but an entire lifetime to make. God created space within your fingers so that we can hold hands. Be there for somebody today. Somebody will be there for you tomorrow. ଏହି ଷ୍ଟୋରିରୁ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ଶିଖିଲେ କି କିଛି ବି ରିଲେସନସିପ୍କୁ ଏମିତି ତରବର ହେଇକି ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦେବାଟା ଉଚିତ ହେବନି। ଟିକେ ସେଇ ରିଲେସନ୍ ଭାଙ୍ଗିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଟିକେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବା ଦରକାର। ଭାଙ୍ଗିବାକୁ ତ କିଛି ସମୟ ହିଁ ଲାଗିଥାଏ, ବଟ୍ ଗୋଟେ ରିଲେସନ୍ ବୁଝିକି ଗୋଟେ ରିଲେସନ୍କୁ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରିବା ବହୁତ ଟାଇମ୍ ଲାଗିଥାଏ। ତ ଇଟ୍ ମଷ୍ଟ think about it. Okay, ପୁଣି ଥରେ ଶିଖିବା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଷ୍ଟୋରିକୁ ପଢ଼ିକି ସେ ଷ୍ଟୋରିକୁ ପଢ଼ିବା ଆଣ୍ଡ କିଛି ନୂଆ କଥା ଶିଖିବା। ଓକେ, bye guys.